Yo, apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Got paid but I had to stretch it, now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black is summer, same tracksuit, yo, man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? You wanna check on man, fam? Just been on the block, man. Doing my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Yo, shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that I'm leaving. Ran man down in the daylight, probably like one zoo in the evening. Man always say real, recognize real. Really, what is the meaning? Car when bread's involved, them guys you're tight with moving different. Mumsy didn't expect this life from me when I was an infant. She saying I'm nonchalant, I'm glad you know how to listen. My neck went green back then, but now the VVs glisten. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong.
Watch out your shoulder, nigga. Shit get real out here, fool. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, start letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa. Me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pockets blow, whoa. They having combos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. Tell me what they talking about. I ain't fucking listening. Let your thoughts run your mouth, but ain't touching dividends, nigga. I ain't from the south, but kick it with my Memphis twin, nigga. I can't take a loss, I'm always going for the win. I been geeked up in this booth, I got my blunt pack for the starter. Nigga, don't be acting new, that put some hoes all through your body. I'm like, all the hoes is cool, let them in if that shit water. See a nigga acting bothered, got my green light to red dot. If you spot me, ho, I'm sorry, I can't take you and get all that. Look like your nigga want smoke, but we gon' do this shit regardless. And I started from the bottom just like you, but I was harder. I came up a fucking soldier, nigga. Shout out to my father. He made sure I make it farther. My trust in God, blocks and dollars. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa. Me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pockets blue, whoa. They having combos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. With my evil twin, all black hoodies, we hit the streets again. He don't like attention, he'll tweak and get the reaping shit. What your ass expect, we drove the whole way in a demon, bitch. He'll pop out, won't think twice and make you Greek to switch. Is you sure you wanna meet that bitch? If I see ill intentions, we'll make sure you get the bleeding please. Always out in with the whole damn game being some rocket shit. Pull up to the scene, my best advice is to hide your bitch. I can see the lies all on your faces, cause your eyes are twitched. The black ski mask all on our fucking faces, be disguising shit. I'ma have my way with your baby, you wanna cry and shit. Rest my Glock against her fucking waist, I got some pottery. See my bitch, not my apology. I might don't need no enemies. You rap with me, then rap with me. But I'ma keep it real, she lost respect when you said follow me. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pocket.
Oh yeah, I'm finna make a banger with this one. Huh? What? DJ on the beat. Now here it go, I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone, see I been gone. Was trying to hit a lick, but that shit just went wrong. I got a thought, she right off the block. Her crib be the spot and we got Glocks. Tucked all in her shit, don't come in unless you knock. But this bitch Grammy told her about this nigga, helped me set him up and she was with it. She just wants some shoes and she ain't get no fuck. So we do that, I was at his neck, creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. How fucked up is that? But what that bitch, she ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone check cause Keembon he don't miss. Now 2 weeks past, I'm back on my grind. I can't waste no time, now I spit quiet. They be whooping though, but them niggas not sliding. I been high, I can't even lie that I been on my mind. Why she ain't called? I ain't seen her ass, I hope that she alright. Now it's midnight, I'm hitting some blocks. Just me and my Glock came to a stop. I'm at a red light, I usually don't stop. My phone keep ringing, just a hoe of course. This bitch probably bored, I press ignore. I ain't got no time, a whore gon' be a whore. Now I get that feeling, something ain't right. I look to my right and I'm like, damn, there go that flexing nigga. He waving his pipe, he get the dump. Bullets get the coming, my heart get the dumping. I feel something, my left shoulder hot, blood just get the gushing. I'm like, shit, ain't this about a bitch? And he with that bitch, I got a glimpse. She got them big lips that's made for sucking dick, now it makes sense. That hoe set me up, that little dirty slut, the double cross, trying to get me caught like I'm Randy Moss. Aw shit, I just dropped my gun, plus I got one arm, I'm trying to drive. I can't shoot back now, this man on my ass, I almost crashed. But I got the wheelie, trying to kill for real, but that go 12. He bust a quick right and I just bust a left. Ah, shit. Fuck, gang, you good? Damn, my show, you know this bitch be fucking with me, gang.
Damn, man, finish telling me about that shit that was cracking off last week with them niggas and shit.
Oh yeah, look, now this what happened. A week later, my arm in the sling. I've been sipping lean, pure codeine. I don't feel a thing. My hoe say I need a blunt. Stuff that bitch will run. Boy, I'm on a hunt, ain't ate no breakfast, but I'm a boxer nigga. Like some Captain Crunch, I got a tip. That dot bitch be on 75th, right off Cottage with her best friend, getting her hair did. I'm like cool, finna make my move. Post up what I do, this bitch a boo, but tryna play me out. Like that shit was cool, now it's like 2. Catch her walking out, her new hairstyle blue and she look cute, but that mean shit to me. I crept up, then I boom, and that was that. Now I'm running back, I stop in my tracks, that go that Porsche. How crazy is that? Boy, I'm on his ass. The first blast, it shattered his glass. Damn, this nigga fast, he hit the gas. I'm still shooting at him, but I'm too far back. Damn, I'm hyped, let me tuck this pipe. Get up out of sight, cause I see lights, and them bitches bright. Can't go to jail for life, so I take flight. Made it to the hood, everything went good. Knock on wood, flame me up with wood. Tuka smelling good, looked at my phone, got a text from her. He say, what's the word? I say, shit, I'm just coolin', bitch, I'm not from 63rd. Bitch, we not from 63rd. Stretch game, put in word.
Shades on Apple with the glasses. Bro say cause he a savage. So many dead ops, so many ashes. You ain't catch that, I can't pass this. Shoot a stay strap, I don't need mine. Bro put belt right to they behind. The way that switch, I know he dying. 6'7", I just bit right on the highway. I just bit right on the highway. Track hawking sitting in the driveway. Pull up, do dump truck, baby shark, do. I pop the perk and pop the blue. I get geek like a custom too. Say the rap, bro, we can smack out. Pull up clean in my white tee, rolling off a honey cool. Diamonds BB straight from Lex.